Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: how do you know if your REDMI Buds 4 Pro are charging? Firstly, if you want to check it for the charging case, you need to connect charging case to the power. So at the bottom we have USB-C port, connect USB-C cable to this port. And on the front side, if you see the LED light, meaning that your charging case are charging. But we can also check it in the application. So we need to open Xiaomi Earbuds app, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the application. Now, if you put your earbuds to the charging case, you will see right here a lightning bolt on this battery icons. So it means, as you can see now, we have it for the right and for the left earbud. It means that your earbuds now are charging. And if you want to check it for the charging case, you need to connect charging case to the power. And we have also, So we have also this lightning bolt for the case. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!